Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to get started, you want to start by priming your skin, and I am going to be using the Lauder Mercier Foundation Primer, and this is the Radiant one. I already went ahead and cleansed my skin and moisturized. You want to really make sure that you have a good base for the foundation. So, I mean, with that comes skincare and moisturizing and finding the perfect primer. So for today's video, I am going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and I am in the shade 2W2 Rattan. With heavy foundations, there are techniques and ways to make it not feel so heavy. So what I love about this one is that when I use it with my beauty blender, I still get that full coverage look, but it feels airy and lightweight instead of cakey and super heavy on the skin. So I'm just going to shake it up, and then I'm going to dot it on my face and blend it out with my damp beauty blender. So I like to just dot it around my face, work with a little bit, and then blend it. And if you need more coverage in certain spots, then just add on to it, because once you have too much on your face, it's going to be hard to take that away.
Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn.
I never ever put foundation underneath my eye area because that's where concealer goes. So if you have foundation there and concealer, that's when it starts to cake up and crease. So I kind of just blend it out, but as you can see, there's no foundation there.
Standing underneath the rows of trees.
Now for my concealer, I am going to be using this Naked Skin Concealer. This is a color corrector, and this is in the shade Pink. And this part is totally optional, but ever since I had my baby, I just don't get any sleep anymore. So this totally helps to just kind of brighten and disguise the under eye circles. So you don't need a lot. I think I put on a little bit too much, but it's okay. I'm gonna just blend it out. And then, yeah, so go ahead and blend it out, and then after that, we'll place our concealer right over top. So as you can see, with this alone, it already brightens. And I know it looks really crazy and weird, but once I put the concealer over it, it will neutralize it. Alright, so now I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to put this right underneath my under eyes. So this concealer is very, very full coverage, so if you do put too much of it, it'll cake up easily. So use a little bit, and like I said, if you need more, you can always go back in and add it. Alright, so I'm just going to put about that much. And that already does like the job of covering literally everything that you want to cover.
You turn toward me and look so weak.
Okay, so my concealer is all on, and now I am going to set it with my favorite powder in the entire world, and it's the Lauder Mercier Translucent. So I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes first, and then I'll go in with my fluffy brush and set the rest of my face.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is cold.
Alright, and that is it for the foundation. That's how I do my foundation and how I keep it lightweight, but still pretty full coverage. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and then I will come back to show you guys. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. So that's how I do my foundation and how I achieve a flawless foundation application using heavier foundations. I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments, and I will also link my skincare routine down below as well, so you guys can watch that if you haven't seen that yet. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I can make you feel just like you were young again.